Can Goku save Gugugaga Penguin before it's too late? Before we begin, smash the like button and subscribe to Ultra Toy Force for more amazing coloring adventures! Today, Goku was training peacefully when suddenly he heard a loud cry for help! Help me! Far away, in the middle of Brain Rot City, Gugugaga Penguin was surrounded by Skibidi Toilets! The Skibidi Toilets had invaded the city and were searching for a mysterious power hidden inside Gugugaga Penguin. The little penguin was terrified. He tried to run, he tried to hide, but the Skibidi Toilets were getting closer and closer. Just when Gugugaga Penguin thought all hope was lost, a blue flash appeared in the sky. It was Goku. Goku landed in front of the frightened penguin. Don't worry, I'll protect you. The Skibidi Toilets laughed. There are too many of us. You can't stop us. Suddenly, hundreds of Skibidi Toilets began appearing all around the city. Even Goku looked surprised. Could he really defeat them all? The ground started shaking. Buildings trembled. The Skibidi army was preparing its final attack. Gugugaga Penguin closed his eyes. What would happen next? Goku slowly stepped forward. His blue aura began growing stronger. The air filled with energy. The Skibidi Toilets started backing away, but their giant leader appeared from a portal. This was the strongest Skibidi Toilet ever seen. The giant monster charged directly toward Gugugaga Penguin. The little penguin couldn't escape. Everything depended on Goku. Goku raised his hand. A massive energy wave began forming. The entire city lit up with blue light. Would this attack be enough? The giant Skibidi Toilet rushed forward. Closer, 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 then boom! A huge explosion filled the sky. Dust covered the battlefield. Nobody could see what happened. For several seconds, everything was silent. Then the dust slowly disappeared. Gugugaga Penguin opened his eyes. The giant Skibidi Toilet was gone. The entire Skibidi army had disappeared. Brain Rot City was safe once again. Gugugaga Penguin jumped with joy. You saved me, Goku! Goku smiled. Heroes always protect their friends. Wait. At the very edge of the city, a strange new portal suddenly opened. Something mysterious was watching from inside. Who could it be? Comment below your guess. Like, subscribe, comment your favorite character. And don't miss the next coloring adventure on Ultra Toy Force.